So hello everyone and welcome to DC East Universe, your one-stop shop for all news related to DC. And today's news is a news about the change of slate for Warner Bros. Upcoming releases with the DC films, as we are now being confirmed that all the movies from 2020 are now being shifted to 2021, and all the major movies of 2021 which are being scheduled to release are now generally getting shifted to 2022. We all know that Wonder Woman, which was supposed to release this year in July, is now eyeing to get released on December 25th. I don't know whether it will be releasing on that date or not, but after that, the Black Adam, which has supposedly finished their casting of Adam Smasher and Hawkman, is now being shifted, and this is confirmed that we are getting the Snyderverse, the Snyder Cut in 2021, along with John Cena's spin-off series, The Peacemaker, on HBO Max. So these are one of the greatest news that are coming for all the DC fans out there. But apart from this news, we are also very much sad to say, and that after the Snyder Cut, the Superman movie will be very far away to get released. The Man of Steel 2, as we all know, that all the other movies like the Batman from 2021, it is now being moved to March 2022, and different other movies like Dune has taken that place of the Batman, or the October 1st date in 2021, and Matrix has also taken the date of Black Adam in December 22, 2021, and now the Shazam movie, The Fury of the Gods, is also being shifted from 2022 November to 2023 July. So this is a major huge shift, though we are expecting Justice League, the Snyder Cut, to do great on HBO Max, and we will also get a sequel to that part. That means we will also get a Justice League Part 2. So as the rumors are going around that can happen definitely, and the Snyderverse will get its full 5-movie arc. And now, as it's reported that after Dwayne The Rock Johnson was tested positive of COVID-19, it is being reported that his movie Black Adam will have a late scheduling, and it will start filming late. And the Flash is also moving from the June or July date of 2022 to November 2022. So this is a major shift in this DC film slate, and we are very much excited to see all these movies coming out to us on big screen, giant screen. But it's very bad or worst time now. This is going on for the pandemic, and we really hope that this time will get past soon, and we will get to see the movies on the giant screen. So there is a good news also that the Suicide Squad is actually staying on its original releasing date, and it will release on 6th August 2021. Apart from this, the Shazam Fury of the Gods will start shooting from late 2021, and it will now release on 2023. And I think Black Adam will also release before or after that on the same period, because this will set up a clash between Black Adam and Shazam in Shazam 3. And apart from this, there is another news. That news is that Constantine, the series in which we saw the Alec Holland version of the character, will now continue, and Aquaman will also have his movie released on December 2022 as the previously scheduled time. And we are also getting the news that Mira, who was played by that actress Amber Heard, will also reprise her role. And now the news that J.J. Abrams will do the Justice League Dark movie with Constantine, and that Constantine series, Alec Holland actor who have played the role of Swamp Thing, is now coming back and continuing his role in the movie Constantine, or maybe there will be another series of Green Lantern which will also be coming to us in HBO Max. So with this different series like Snyder Cut, Green Lantern, and Justice League Dark, Constantine's solo movie, we are all getting all the movie stuff from DC continuity. But it's very hard for us not to get the film as it was being scheduled. So we will hope for the best, and until next time, please like, share and subscribe our video, and comment on the videos, and please subscribe our channel and never miss any update. And until next time, DC forever.